These are the remnants of the Mahoning coke ovens. It's a 3-bank setup off of Ranch Road in Dunbar Township. A couple of them still have the faces on them. And they're unfortunately well guarded with sticker bushes. These faces are of a lower quality brick variety. From what I've read, the Mahoning ovens are some of the oldest coke ovens in Westmoreland County, or Fayette County, excuse me. And looks like they may have been rebuilt because of these brick faces instead of having stone. You might ask what is the difference between coal and coke? Well, I'm going to show you what happens in the process of coal becoming coke. You start with a piece of bituminous coal like this, and you load them in these coke ovens. And depending on the charge you want, it could be a 36 or 72 hour charge if it was over the weekend. But you would fire it up and it would be cooked. This hole would be plugged up with what were called dauber bricks. And once it was done, they would quench it with water, cool it down, and then they'd pull out what this is. This is a much lighter material. And this is what's the fuel that's used to make steel from iron ore. They still do this today, but not in this old-fashioned method. It's fairly overgrown. It'd be nice if this was all kind of torn out and the center area to be made somewhat of a walk path. On this other side is, you can see only half of the beehive is remaining. It's, the whole front was either pulled down or the environment simply took it down over time. As I said, this bank of ovens was actually started up in 1875, and I do not believe these were frick ovens. It's a better view of some of the Mahoning ovens with faces.